Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. Yo! Hey there birdies, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to meet with 3 different bulbuls. So, this is the first one, and this is the Ochraceous Bulbul. The Ochraceous is a brownish olive bulbul with a little wispy crest and a puffy, glowingly white throat. It likes to inhabit the lowlands and foothill forests, and generally prefers primary or well-aged secondary growth. It usually forages around the middle and lower levels of the forest, usually in small noisy flocks. This bulbul is extremely similar in appearance to the closely related puff-throated babbler, but the Ochraceous is slightly smaller, has darker and browner upper parts, duller yellow underparts, and a shorter crest. And although they do look very similar, the puff-throated is generally more found in the north, with the Ochraceous more to the south. So if you're in the deep south, the chances are it's Ochraceous. If you're up in the north, well, it's probably puff-throated. And he's definitely a cool looking bird. This one again I found at a waterhole in the south of Thailand, and just to remind you again, make sure you put some water out this time of year. This time of year the birds really appreciate it. The second bulbul we see here is the olive bulbul. The olive is again a small dark brown bulbul with dirty looking olive yellow underparts. The combination of dark eyes and fairly uniform coloration distinguish this species from other dull brown bulbuls. And finally here is number 3. This one is the red-eyed bulbul. I suppose it's not really difficult to see why it's called red-eyed. The red-eyed bulbul is another nondescript plain brown bulbul, but with red eyes, and is also only really found in the deep south of Thailand. Anyway, all these 3 bulbuls were having a great time in the shower, all coming down for a little splash around in the water and a drink, and they were obviously really enjoying themselves. So come on, if you really enjoy these videos, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Well, that's all for now. 3 different baubles. See you on the next one. Bye for now.